Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to change currency on TokenPocket. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open TokenPocket application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into one of your wallets. From the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner. In the settings menu appearing on the next page, tap on Currency Unit. Select the currency you'd like to change to for your wallet and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your default currency on TokenPocket. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.